Interactive. Today, we'll activate your grammar with ASL sentence types, starting with topicalization. In American Sign Language, topicalization is when you introduce the topic first, followed by the comment about that topic. Think of it as setting up the subject before giving information about it. This is one of the basic sentence structures in ASL. Use the following non-manual signals for the topic. Raise your eyebrows, slightly tilt your head forward, maintain direct eye contact with your audience. For example, paper, I write. In this example, paper is the topic and the comment is I write. Watch the example again. Great! Now let's activate the next skill with WH word questions. For WH word questions, the signer asks you a question and they want you to respond. WH words include what, who, where, why, what for, how many, how, and when. The non-manual signals for WH word questions include eyebrows down, squinting the eyes, and leaning forward slightly. For example, your ASL teacher, who? Notice in this example that the WH word comes last and is held at the end. Watch the example again. Next, we'll activate your use of yes/no questions. Yes/no questions are used when a signer asks a question and they expect to receive a yes or no answer from you. The non-manual signals for yes/no questions include eyebrows up, eyes widened, and leaning forward slightly. For example, ice cream, you like? Notice there are no question words in this question. The question is understood from the non-manual signals alone. Watch the example again. Lastly, let's activate your signing with clear negation. Negation is a way to indicate that something is not true, did not happen, will not happen, and so forth. Some negation signs include not, won't, and not yet. A signer can include these vocabulary and/or other non-manual signals to indicate negation in ASL. The non-manual signals for negation include shaking your head and using eyebrows down. For example, store, I don't go, or store, I don't go. The first example uses a head shake for negation. The second example includes the sign not or don't to show the negation. Watch the example again. job! You've just activated your understanding of ASL sentence types, topicalization, WH word questions, yes/no questions, and negation. Keep reviewing and practicing so these structures flow naturally in every conversation. Don't forget to follow ASL Interactive. Like, comment, turn on notifications, and subscribe today so we can see you in the next one.